Welcome to Roshan Academy. I am your Sanskrit teacher, and today I am going to explain the first lesson, Shuji Paryavaranam. Shuji Paryavaranam. In this lesson, the poet reveals the problem of pollution. Let me recite the shloka, and next we will go to the meaning and anvaya of the shloka. Durvahamatra jeevitam jatam prakritireva sharanam Shujiparyavaranam. महान्नगरमध्ये चलिदानिशं कालायसचक्रं मनःशोषयत् तनुपेशयत् भ्रमति सदा वक्रम् दुर्दान्तैर्दशनैरमुना स्यान्नैव जनग्रसनम् अन्वयः अत्र जीवितं दुर्वहं जातं प्रकृतिः एव शरणं शुचिपर्यावरणम् महानगरमध्ये कालायसचक्रम् अनिशं चलत् मनः शोषयत् तनुः पेशयत् सदा वक्रं भ्रमति अमुना दुर्दान्तैः दशनैः जनग्रसनं न एव स्यात्. Children, the meaning of this lesson Shuji Paryavaranam is Shuddha Paryavaranam, means good environment or clean, fresh environment. See the Anvaya of the shloka. Atra means here, Durvaham, difficult. Jeevitam, living. Living is very difficult here. And here Kavi says that it is good to help, to get the help of Prakriti. It is good to get the help of Prakriti. Better to depend on Prakriti. That's why the name Shuji Paryavaranam. Mahanagara Madhye means in the midst of cities and towns. Chalad Anisham. Chalad Anisham. Running day and night or running always. Kalayasa Chakram means vehicles made of metals. Manaha Shoshayat means mind is disturbed and became weak. And Tanuhu Peshayat. Tanuhu means Sharira, body. Peshayat means become powdered. Brahmadi Sada Vakram, always going out of way, means not going properly. What is not going properly? These metallic vehicles are moving, means Brahmati, here and there, coming and going. Amuna means due to this. Durdantaihi, dashanaihi, by terrible teeth. The meaning of the shloka, due to these vehicles which are moving here and there, it is difficult for life. That is why it is called Durdamdehi Dashanaihi. Due to the pollution, here Kavi says it is very terrible, Bhayanaka Avastha happened. Bad effect of this should not be affected the people. And thus, we go to Shuji Paryavaranam. Next is Kajjala Malinam Dhumam Munchati Shatashakatiyanam Bashpayanamala Sandhavati Vitaranti Dhwanam Yananam Panktayo Hyananda Katinam Samsaranam. Anvayah. Shatashakatiyananam Kajjala Malinam Dhumam Munjati. Bashpayanamala Dhwanam Vitaranti Sandhavati. Yananam Panktayah Anandaha Hi Samsaranam Katinam. Atha Shatashakatiyanam means hundreds of vehicles, many vehicles. Kajjala Malinam means like very dark smoke, smoke lighting, eye tags that we use in our eyes. The smoke comes out of the vehicles. It is very dark. Munjati means releasing, getting out of the vehicles. The dark smoke is coming out of the vehicles. That means the vehicles release smoke, which is very dark, and malinam, impure, and harmful for health. You know, Bashpayanamala means trains. Dhwanam means dhvani, sound. Vitarandi, making sound and going. Making sound and going. Sandhavati means running. Vitaranti means making sound and going. Sandhavati. Trains are running and making very loud noise. Yananam panktayaha anandaha. Many lines of vehicles are seen. Samsaranam, getting out. Samsaranam means getting out or getting away. Kadhinam, it is very difficult. The meaning is, due to a large number of lines of vehicles, for us it is very difficult to get out of this problem. It is difficult for the people to go by this way because there will be traffic jam, dust pollution, smoke, etc. etc. People feel hard to move. Third shloka. Vayumandalam bhrisham dushitam nahi nirmalam jalam kutsita vastu mishritam bhakshyam samalam dharatalam karaniyam bahirandar jagati tu bahu shuddhikaranam. Anvayaha. Vayumandalam bhrisham dushitam means this Vayumandalam became very polluted. Nirmalam jalam hi nasti. There is no pure water. Asti is given in the bracket only to understand the meaning for you. And kutsita vastu mishritam bhakshyam. Kutsitam means bad. Vastu means things. Bhakshyam means eatables. The meaning is the eatables are polluted by adding or mixing bad things which are harmful for health. Samalam dharatalam means malina sahitam dharatalam. Earth became dirty. Bahihi antaha jagati tu bahushuddhi karanam karaniyam. Bahi means outside, antaha inside, jagati means dharti. So both inside and outside of the earth, bahushuddhi karanam karaniyam, should be cleaned. The earth is to be cleaned nicely from both inside and outside. 4. Fourth shloka. Kanchit kalam naya mamasman nagarad bahuduram prapashyami gramante nirjara nadi payapuram ekante kantare kshanamapi me syad sancharanam. Anvayaha. Mam kinchit kalam asmat nagarat bahuduram naya Gramante nirjara nadi payah puram prapashyami ekante kantare kshanamapi me sancharanam syat. Kinchit kalam means for some time, for a period of time. Mam means me. Asmat nagarat, Panchami vibhakti of nagarat, Panchami vibhakti. From this town, Bahuduram Naya, Mam. Take me far away from this town for a period of time. Here, the poet doesn't want to stay in this polluted town area, and he says, take me far away from here for a period of time. Gramante nirjara nadi payaha puram prapashyami. Payah puram. Payah puram means full of water. The pond with full of water. Gramande means inside the village area. Nirjara means waterfall. Nadi means river. Payapuram means full of water. The pond with full of water. Prapashyami, I am seeing. Ekante Kandare, in the lonely forest. Kandare means forest. Ekante Kandare, in the lonely forest. Chanam Api, little time, for some time. Sancharanam Syad, should stay there. Kavi imagines the thick lonely forest, waterfall, river, ponds with full of water, and he wishes to stay there or wishes to spend some time there in the lonely forest. He doesn't wish to stay in the polluted towns. And next sloka, number 5. Harita Tarunam, Lelita Latanam Mala Ramaniya, Kusumavalihi Samira Chalita, Syanme Varaniya, Navamalika Rasalam Milita, Ruchiram Sangamanam. Ruchiram Sangamanam. Anvayaha. Harita Tarunam, Lalita Latanam Mala Ramaniya, Samira Chalita Kusumavalihi Me Varaniya, Syad. Navamalika Rasalam Milita, Tayoho Sangamanam Ruchiram Asti. Asti is written in the bracket. Harita Tarunam Lalita Latanam means Harita Vrikshanam Manoharita Latanam Mala Ramaniya. Here Kavi wishes to spend some time in the forest and he sees the beauty of green trees and beautiful creepers which are seemed to be a garland-like thing. Samira Chalita Kusumavalihi means due to wind the flowers are Chalita, dancing, and he wishes to accept or receive that beauty of the line of flowers which are like dancing. What a beautiful imagination. Varaniya. Varaniya means to accept. It should be accepted as his own. May means as his own. Navamalika Rasalam Milita. Navamalika means the new creeper. Rasalam means mango tree. Milita means joined. Here, see the beautiful explanation. New and tender creeper climbing on a mango tree, making circular motion, circular type of climbing on a mango tree, and it is very beautiful. Beautiful Sangamanam, state of joining with. Sangamana means the state of joining with. Ruchiram. Ruchiram means Sundaram. It's very beautiful. 6th shloka. Aichala Bandho Khagakula Kalarava Gunchita Vanadesham Purakalarava Sambramita Jenebhyo Dhridasukha Sandesham Chaga Chikya Jalam No Kurya Jivita Rasaharanam. Anvayaha. Ai Bandho Khagakula Kalarava Gunchita Vanadesham Chala Purakalarava Sambramita Janebhyaha Dhrida Sukha Sandesham Chaka Chikya Jalam Jivita Rasaharanam No Kuryad. Ai Bandho. He Bandho. Here Sambodhana Prathama. He Bandho. Khagakula means group of birds. Rava means Shabda, Dhwani. Gunchida Vanadesham. He Bandho, come along or take us to the jungle where group of birds singing, and Pura Kalarava means the noise of the towns. Pura means town. Sambhramita Janebhyaha, those who are attracted towards having sambhrama towards the town life. Those who are attracted towards the noise of the towns. Dhrita Sukha Sandesham. Very good information. Dhrita Sukha Sandesham. Very good information. Chaka Chikya Jalam. Jivita Rasaharanam no Kuriyat. Means here Kavi thinks that leaving all the goodness of the nature in the village, or those people who are attracted by the town life, oh God, Chakachikya Jalam, this unnatural beauty of the towns, or Brahmida Jivita Sukham, that means the happiness of life should not be destroyed. Village life brings happiness and healthy atmosphere, and of this type should not be stolen by the town life. Like that, this Kavi wishes, or the poet says. Next, 7th shloka. Prastaratale Lata Gulma no bhavantu pishtaha Pashani sabhyata nisarge syan na samavishta Manavaya jivanam kamaye no jivan maranam. Anvayah. Lata taru gulmaha prastaratale pishtaha no bhavantu. Pashani sabhyata nisarge samavishta na syat. Aham. Aham is written in the bracket for getting the correct meaning. Aham manavaya jivanam kamaye. Jivan maranam na. Means Jivan Maranam na Kamaye. Pashani Sabhyata Nisarge Samavishta na Syad. Aham Manavaya Jivanam Kamaye. Jivan Maranam na Kamaye. Lata Taru Gulmaha Prastaratale No Bhavantu Pishtaha. Here, in place of Lata Tarugulmaha, that means in place of trees, creepers, flowers, etc., Pishtaha. Pishtaha means Dhuli Karna. Dhuli Karanam Kritva. Dhuli Karanam Kritva na bhavantu, or Dhuli Karanam na bhavantu means Nashaha na bhavantu. And in place of trees and creepers and flowers, there should not be high buildings of stones and cement. And that kind of sabhyata should not come, so that we can save our environment from destruction. And here Kavi wishes good life for the mankind. Nature of Kavi we can see here. Manavaya Jivanam, for goodness of people. Manavaya Jivanam means for the goodness of people. The poet wishes there should not be bad lifestyle. It is so, there is no meaning in life, or even if you are alive. Jivan Maranam na Kamaye. Aham na Kamaye. Kavi wishes there should not be a life carrying an oxygen cylinder, because we are lacking oxygen. The nature becomes very bad effect. Due to the bad effect of the nature, we actually lacking oxygen. That's why it should not be a life carrying an oxygen cylinder with us. That is why there should be Shuji Paryavaranam. So we again reached to the starting of the lesson. Shuji Paryavaranam. That's why there should be Shuji Paryavaranam. Okay, children. So the lesson is over. Learn well. And please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.